assume this. Here we have the point is 4. So I plotted this q dash as minus 3 comma 4. So minus 3 means x is negative, plus 4 means y is positive. So that's why minus 3 comma 4 means it is lies in the second quadrant. At x point is minus 3 and y point is 4. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So next, here I define some. So I am taking the points x. First I am taking x axis, xo, x dash, and next axis is yo, y dash. So means I am taking the point here P. So I drawn a perpendicular line to x axis, that is L, as well as perpendicular to y, that is PM. So perpendicular x, y is in horizontal. So we have to draw means we have to we have to draw horizontal. So x is in horizontal line. We have to draw perpendicular means we have to draw vertical. So that's why I am taking the point P. From that I draw perpendicular line to x axis, that is PL, and again from that point P I drawn perpendicular line to y axis, that is PM. So here this PM is perpendicular, means parallel to x axis, means both are in same direction. So we can say it as parallel lines. If it is like this or like this or straight. So means those are in same direction, so we can say those are parallel lines. So here x axis and this PM is parallel, means both are in same direction, and as well as y axis and PL are parallel lines. So on y axis x is 0, so that's why I am taking this is y. So this distance is also y. If this distance is x, this distance is also x. Why? Because these two are parallel. But here we have x as well as y. So x means we have to take on x axis, means x quadrant. This length I am taken what I as x, and this length what I am taken y. On this y axis we don't have x length, so that's why on y axis x is 0, and y axis y values I am taken y. At origin both the points will be 0. So from x we don't have the value, we don't have the distance, as well as from y also we don't have the distance. So origin is 0 comma 0. So x axis. So x axis, on x axis we don't have the distance from y like this. So that's why an x axis y is 0. So that's why right y coordinate is 0, x coordinate is x. This distance I am taking x, so that's why I am writing here x, and on x axis y is always 0, and y axis this point is y, this distance is I am taking y, so that's why y coordinate is y and x coordinate is 0, because on y axis x is 0. So on this length, these both are same direction. If this length is x, so this length is also x. These two are in same direction. If this length is y, this length is also y. So that's why P point we have to take x coordinate as well as y coordinate. Here we have x coordinate is x and y coordinate is y. Always origin is 0 comma 0. Is it clear?
Yes, madam. Clear.
So next we have some note points. So what are the points we will see now? So number 1, the x coordinate of P is the distance of P. So means on the x coordinate of P is the distance of P from the y axis. Here this x is what I am taken, I said here. and x coordinate on the P is distance from y to P. This distance is x that he is given on first point. From the y-axis, so P is the distance of P from the y-axis. Here P, this distance is I am taken x coordinates in place of x that he said. And y coordinate is distance from the x-axis. From P, distance from the x-axis is y. So that's why I am taken y coordinate is y. That note he is given here. So next note 2. If point lies on the x-axis, so if a point lies on the x-axis, its y coordinates is 0. What happened, rule number 40?
Ma'am, first point did not get, ma'am.
Note 1.
Yeah. That one.
So, the x coordinate of P. Here in point P, what I have? X comma y. So, x coordinate of P means this x coordinate. Both are x. That's why you get confused. Here x coordinate of P means in first place, that is we have to take x coordinate. So, this x coordinates how we will take that he is given. The x coordinate of P is the distance of P from the y-axis. Means x coordinate of P means this value is the distance from y-axis. Y-axis is this. P point is here. So this distance is this point that he said. And y coordinate is distance from x-axis. So y coordinate means this y. How we will take this y that he is given. That is from P point, the distance to x is called y coordinate. So from P point, distance to x means this P to x. Here we have P. Here we have x axis. So here P to this distance we don't know. So that's why I am taking this distance is y. Suppose it is 4 units, so we can take it is 4 units. So that's why this 4 we can take in y coordinate place. So and x coordinates means in place of x, how we will take? The distance from y axis is here. So y axis to this P. This distance is, we can write the x coordinate. And this distance is, we can write the y coordinate. So that's why this distance I am taken here y. So that's why I written y coordinate is y. And this distance is x. I am taken here. So that's why I written x coordinate is x. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So, based on the numbers, suppose we will take example. This is example. So, see here, on the x coordinate, suppose this is the point P. Is taken, point is Q dash. So, how I am taking minus 3 here? He is given the point is minus 3, that's why I am taken. But the distance is minus 3 where to where? Here to here. So, means this distance is also minus 3. Means this is the distance minus 3. So how I say OM dash is parallel to, here I take any point y. So YQ dash means this distance is 3 minus 3. If distance is minus 3, so this distance is also minus 3. So from the point Q to y axis, what is the distance we have here? Minus 3. So that is I am written. So as well as here 4. Means how I taken this? On y coordinate how I will take? From Q dash to distance from x axis. So Q dash to x axis, which point? M point. Here we have the distance is what? This distance is 4. So that's why I taken here y coordinate is 4. And x coordinate means Q dash to y axis. What is the distance? That is minus 3. These two are parallel, so that's why we don't need to write a draw line here. Means this is minus 3, this is also minus 3. So that's why I can write directly here. If this is 4, this is also 4. This is 4, so we can write directly this is also 4. So next, note 2. If a point lies on the x-axis, its y-coordinate is 0. Means any point lies on this axis. So y-coordinate directly we can write it as 0. If you take here or here, anywhere on x-axis, y-coordinate we can direct write it as 0. Suppose I am taking here the point. This distance is 4. So x-coordinate we can write 4 and y-coordinate place I have to write 0. Why? Because on x-axis y value is always 0. And if the point lies on y-axis, means the point lies on here. Suppose this distance is 4, we already know it. So 4 comma, not 4 comma, on y-axis. If it is on y-axis, means if it on y-axis, so we can write on y-axis x value is 0. So directly we can write 0 comma 4. But the point is not here. We have the point is here. So that's why I written minus 3 comma 4. If the point is here, so directly I can write 0 comma 4. Why? Because on the y-axis x value is x coordinate is 0. So that's why on this y-axis x coordinate is 0. Y value is how much we will take that. Suppose distance from here to here I will take. So this distance is 4. So 0 comma 4. So always we have to remember that on x-axis any point is lies, y value is 0. On y-axis any point is lies, x value is 0. So that is given. If the point lies on y-axis, then its x coordinate is 0. On y-axis x is 0, on x-axis y is 0. Thus any point on x-axis of the form x comma 0 means any distance. If you take 3 distance, so 3 comma 0. If you take 4 distance, 4 comma 0. We didn't take any value. So that's why he said x comma 0. And any point from the y-axis of the form 0 comma y. On this y-axis you can take any point. If I take, suppose here it is 2, so 0 comma 2. If you take here 0 comma 4. If you take more than 0 comma 5, 0 comma 6. So direct distance we can't take. So that's why. So we didn't take any distance. So that's why 0 comma y. Y is equal to, you can take any point. Means 2, 3 or 4 or 5. So in general form is this 0 comma y. Any point lies on y-axis. So we can write 0 comma y. Any point lies on x-axis. So we can write x comma 0. So next, note 3. The coordinates of origin as 0 comma 0. The coordinate of origin means here we don't have x distance, we don't have y distance. So always we can take origin is 0 comma 0. And next, distance between the 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is, what is the formula? He is given one formula. Any 2 points he is given and we have to find the distance between the 2 points. Suppose we have a line of this. Suppose this is a point A and this is point B. So this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So the distance, this, if we want to find this distance, the formula is x2 minus x1 under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. If we want to find distance between the 2 points, the formula is x2 minus under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So next, horizontal and vertical lines. Till it is clear? Is it clear? Are you there?
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
any
Yes,
doubt?
ma'am.
Yes, clear.
So, horizontal and vertical lines. A straight line is parallel to x-axis is called a horizontal line. So, straight line. Suppose we can take this is x-axis, we know that, and this is y-axis, we know that. So, what he said, a straight line is parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis means these do not touch anywhere. Same as it is in x-axis. So that means a straight line is parallel to x-axis is called horizontal line. So this line is called, we can say it as horizontal line. And next what he is given? The coordinate for any point on the x-axis is 0. So the coordinate of y on any point on x-axis, we already know it. It is 0, I already told it. So next, consider a straight line above the x-axis and parallel to it. So any straight line I am taking the above of x-axis, that is parallel to x-axis, that we have to take, that he is given example here. Sequence. Consider a straight line above x-axis and parallel to it at a distance of 2 units. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. And y-axis I am taken the points 0, -1. In below of this origin of y-axis we have the negative points, and above of this origin we have the positive points. So 1 to up to take, you can take any number of points. In below the origin you can take any number of points. These are negative points and these are positive points. So, and parallel to it means we have to take the point on y-axis. So if I take any point, so what I said, 2 units. 2 units means y is equal to 2. 1, 2. So at point of 2, I draw a line. So y coordinate is
ये वीडियो आ रहा बेटा वीडियो आ रहा हाय कल कोई था ना कटना ना
तो नहीं खाता इडली